Okay guys, what you need is a Dremel flick shaft, cabochon. This is an amethyst cabochon. And you need a rotary diamond tips. You need brush to wet the stone, goggles for your safety, and mask for your safety. You need a pendant diesel, water with soap. I will mix a WD-40 and so for the water to keep the diamond bits colder, because the diamond bits will wear out if you don't put water. So this is soap and a WD-40. See, a little bit. There you go. That's it. Alright. This is an eraser, magic eraser. I'll carry it in the center. And I put my cabochon here, like this. And drill it here. Alright. Put it in a vice grip. There you go. There is the cabochon. Here is the amethyst cabochon. Okay guys, so I am using this bits right here. This one. Yeah. Not that. Okay, so we already put the tip. Press this down. And we have to tighten it. Let's do that. This one is to control the speed. 5, 10, 15, up to 35. So we're gonna do in the lower, maybe 15. 15. Okay, wear your mask. Wear your mask. Wear your goggles for protection. Alright, we're ready. Okay guys, so guys, this is the hole. I'm done with the hole right there, and we're gonna put the basil. So guys, we open the basil for the pendant, and we're gonna put this amethyst that I make a hole on it and put that there. See, the basil has a hook to hold the cabochon. This is my jewelry flyer. It's round nose. So just push it down. Here you go. Here you go. My first pendant, amethyst pendant that I put a basil. I bought this cabochon online, make a hole, and I bought this basil online too, basil clamp for the pendant, and I make my first pendant cabochon, and I drill my first cabochon, amethyst cabochon. See, it's very nice, guys, very pretty, very nice, guys, very pretty. You can also glue this so that it doesn't move. Glue underneath, then you put this back like that. Okay, I'm gonna get my glue. For the glue, guys, I use Ecil 6000. So I use a toothpick. Put a glue on the hole. Put the basil back. Push it down. Clean the excess glue. Use this plastic to push down so that it will not scratch the basil. There you go. Clean the excess glue. Like that. This will cure in 24 hours. So just put it here for, just get it dry for 24 hours. And drill and put the same basil for pendant. So guys, I make a hole on the other one, the amethyst cabochon, and this time I will put a silver basil for pendant. So guys, before you put a glue, you have to clean the stone so that the glue will stick. This is alcohol pads, or you can clean it with towel. So after we clean with alcohol swabs, Clean it like that. We dry it. And then put some basil. We'll use gold this time. It's gold. It's silver. So we open the basil. See? Put a glue in the toothpick. Stick it inside. At the back. Back. Just wipe the excess. Some more. Go. Use this rubber so that we will not scratch the basil. Use the push down like that. You got it? Here you go. Here you go. Very pretty. Amethyst cabochon. Very pretty. We dry for 24 hours. Okay guys, here is the cabochon that I drill and put the cabochon that I drill with a hole and with a bezel on it. So it is done. It's very pretty guys. Okay guys, so here it is. Very pretty.